Hey, crypto family. Hope y'all are doing good. Today we're going to go over some Bitcoin analysis for November 14th, 2019. So I mentioned in my last video, is Bitcoin going to have another dump? And it looks like we did. Not necessarily a dump, but more so continued downtrend. You can see right now Bitcoin's at 85.43. I have the daily chart open. I'm going to go over a couple indicators I had and point out some ones that I was looking at yesterday that contributed to this downtrend and where we're going from here. So on the daily chart, you can see again, we did have that sell signal on the whales buy sell indicator a couple days ago. And right now we still have the VWAP under the zero line, and we still have this light blue wave trending downward, and this whales buy sell indicator starting to trend downward too. So daily chart does not look positive at all. Next, going over here to the daily chart with some moving averages. So the orange line is the 128-day, the purple line is the 200-day moving average, the red line is the 21, and then the blue line is the 50. So as you can see, that 50-day moving average crossed under the 21-day, and then right now we are below this resistance here at about 8,600. So I mentioned we had resistance at 86 and 8,800. Now, right now, this 50-day moving average is about 8,500, where I mentioned is some crucial support, because as you can see, there's not much support under that. Now, you could draw a line here, the previous resistance turns support here at about 8,400-ish. So that could be our next support level, but again, not much in terms of support past then, all the way down here to around this 7,700 level. So definitely need to hold around this 8,500 level if we want to continue to the upside, and then break this 86 and 8,800 levels to continue higher from there. But right now the RSI is looking a tad oversold. It's at 42, but again, it can still has a lot of room to run. So keeping that in mind. Now, next chart is going to be the 2 hour. This is the one I think really contributed, because it did flash a sell signal yesterday. And you can see here that I'll go ahead and scroll to where you can see previous. So flash sell signal here November 10th. You can see how much selling pressure was then. Then we'll scroll back. It flashed a sell signal November 6th. You can see how much selling pressure then. So again, $300-$400 moves on these sell signals from the 2 hour. And you can see, from this sell signal here at about 87.50, we've downtrend about $200. So possibly getting towards the end of that. It could possibly fall another $100. But again, hopefully, looking to have a buy signal here soon from the 200-day. I believe if we kind of scroll in here, we can see the buy, it needs to get above 8,600. If it gets above that, then we will have a buy signal on here. So right now there's a red dot, 2 hour, and then the Wolfpack is really still staying under that zero line, not really trending up or down, but again, it is negative bearish momentum. So right now, this decreasing volume, possibly, indicating light selling pressure right now, and hopefully we do have a buy candle here to reverse. But right now, the 2 hour is still looking short-term bearish. Next, we're going to go ahead and look at the 1 hour. So the 1 hour, these are some different moving averages. You have the blue one is going to be the 7-day, yellow is going to be the 77-day, and then the purple one is going to be the 231-day. Now, you can see here on the hourly, yesterday I mentioned that it looks like it's about to cross over here, and you can see it got up to that 77-day, but then it immediately reversed, which is very bearish. And you can see from there it stayed under that 77-day. Now, I also have a volume profile on the right here, and you can see, there was a lot of volume around this 8,700 level. So this will be a lot of resistance coming to the upside. And then here, this volume, declines as we get towards 8,500. So not too much support here. But again, we need to hold this level if we want to think of bouncing up. But I will say the RSI here, luckily it's starting to curve to the upside. Still extremely oversold at 30. So definitely a lot of room to run for that. So we'll have to keep an eye on that and see what happens. Now for the hourly here with the other indicators, you can see we did get a sell signal about 5 hours ago, and from then it has not flashed a buy yet. And it's looking to flash a buy, potentially again getting close to that 8580 level. So 8580 to 8600. Now we do have a green candle on the hourly indicating, buying momentum. And this, you can see here, this light blue wave is starting to curve up, possibly. It may indicate a buy signal very soon. And then this Wolfpack ID is curving up as well, wanting to get close to that zero mark and pass above it. So, hopefully your reversal is intact here. But again, I cannot stress we need to keep this 8,500 level if we want to show some positive action. And then the 4 hour here, 4 hour did flash a sell signal as well about 20 hours ago. And then from there, did flash a yellow X. So again, basically yellow X means a lot of manipulation going on, not really geared one way or the other, but usually manipulation means to the downside. Now, we did get a green dot, but as you can see, green dots don't mean much if you're in a bearish trend. So really, it doesn't have a lot of weight here, possibly exiting your short position if you're in one, which this green dot happened about 86.30. So again, about $100 away. So hopefully that means, you know, we're reversing soon. But again, this Wolfpack ID is still continuing to the downside. So again, a lot of selling pressure here. Bulls really need to come in if they want us to change this. And then last but not least is this triangle pattern that I drew on the daily chart from yesterday. You can see it's played out perfectly. Bitcoin went to this resistance at about 87.50, and then it could not break above that. So went to the downside, and is where I have the support drawn is at 8,500. So again, this level we need to hold, but we are at this apex pretty much where we are going one side or the other. But again, descending triangles tend to break to the downside. Again, not really descending triangle since lack of touch points, but I just want to draw this trend line here to kind of keep in mind, you know, that we are basically consolidating this tight level, and we are going to have a huge breakout soon. So just something to keep in mind there. And then we're going to go ahead and look at the trading view indicators here. So on the daily, oscillators are a buy, summary is a sell, moving averages are a strong sell, 4 hour, it's a sell, strong sell, strong sell, hour is neutral, sell, strong sell, 15-minute, sell across the board, 5-minute is buys across the board, and then a 1-minute is buy, and a strong buy. So again, on trading view indicators, short time frames are showing positive buy signals, but anything 15 minutes or longer is showing sell. So again, what does that mean? It means possibly we could have a reversal incoming for the short term. Again, how long that lasts, maybe anywhere from 10, 15 minutes, who knows, or even longer. But again, not really something to base a full swing long on, but something to keep in mind if you're looking to enter potentially good position. Again, if you're entering right now, think of setting stops possibly just below 8,500, so around 84.90 or so, so you don't get caught. But because if we do break 85 and keep going down, then I do see us, you know, definitely going down to around 84, at least 8,400. And if that doesn't hold, then again, looking towards below 8,000. So with that, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and please subscribe if you haven't. Appreciate all my viewers. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.